Should we put it in normal size? Sorry. Oh, a little bit later. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, go. Okay, now explain the bits there.
This is a enzymes locking key model, and this is the substrate molecules, which the theory is that it fits exactly into the enzyme, and if it doesn't fit then it won't work. And a product is created and released and the enzyme remains unchanged.
Okay, sounds pretty good to me.
And the other one is the induced fit model, where they shape to fit perfectly all the time.
What about enzyme poisons? Do you know about them?
Enzyme what?
Poisons, things that block enzymes. Like cyanide.
No?
Blocks coenzyme A. What happens if you have cyanide?
Stuff goes wrong.
I better go.
So there's each of the benches there. So what do you think of this setup, Simon?
I think it's fantastic. I think every classroom in the world should be like this.
Because the students can go and work on their stuff. Kirby, can you make a comment about how the students are using it with the mind maps and stuff?
Yeah, the whiteboards are particularly good for mind maps, planning, revision, recapping, brainstorming. You can get a better idea of who's involved and who's not.
Because you can physically see them do it. Yeah.
Physically see them doing it.
Yeah, they actually do it. Yeah, you can see that there. Okay. It's got the little benches on there, and each bench is numbered.
This,
Não,